कबीर मेरा फोन काम नहीं कर रहा.
Do you hear that? That was not my mother's scream. That was sound of doom. My phone storage full. My PC almost full. The worst part is my mother's phone is almost full. She cannot download her awesome image. That means I am in danger. To save my life, I cracked this laptop junk. Intel Silver Platinum and 5000, 4 GB RAM and hard drive 1 TB. And also SSD as well, 128 GB to run Linux smoothly. I'm going to make this junk into my own Google Drive server. Let's cook. Now normally Indian guys would go to another Indian YouTube video, but I will not. My name is CapitalKabir, the Indian Cyborg. I will ask Gemini AI. So I asked Gemini, can I turn my laptop into the cloud server? Gemini said, yes, absolutely. Do port forwarding. Port forwarding. It's a danger. Hacker would hack me. I don't want that. I said, Gemini, is there any way? I don't want a hacker. Gemini said, yes. Use Tailscale or even better, Twingate. Perfect. No hacker. Let's go. By the way, this is my first time using Linux Mint. So I started typing normally. Manually I stuck. Typo everywhere. Sudo. And I don't know how to format my freaking drive. Of course I know Windows, I don't know Linux, everything. At this rate, it will take 7 days minimum. So I look at my laptop and I thought about it. Gemini, can you do it yourself? So I went to GitHub, found the Gemini CLI. The AI can now control my terminal inside my PC. But there is a problem. Cannot type password. Is that scare me? So I did something that expert security will get a heart attack from it. A Sudo key password to Gemini. A Gemini that store in memory called Gemini.md. Now Gemini can do anything. Here take key, do whatever you tell. There is a problem. It keep asking, can I do this? Can I do this? Yes, enter. Can I modify? Yes, you can. Keep asking one permission per enter. Oh, I can keep pressing enter. Yes. Gemini said, press Ctrl+Y to see the magic. Then I did Ctrl+Y. I gave an AI full permission. AI can do anything. My entire operation system. So I stepped back and watched the code fly. And in 0.7 day, it just did 7 days of work. It even says that, bro, you can hold your micro server. And I was like, nah, I don't want it. I just want it cloud storage server. Thanks for flashing Gemini. But then I realized a problem. This laptop don't have N-Sane. I can hear N-Sane and hard drive. So I asked Gemini, give me an eye to see the problem. If I can hear server die, then my entire story is dead. So it built dashboard and I install ntfy. It puts notification to my phone. If my SSD or hard drive had a problem, it will send a message to me. My phone vibrate. It is not cool UI. It is accessibility. AI built me an eyes because I can use my ear. At first I use this Tailscale. Seem good, but there is a problem. My connection was according to laptop to Bangalore to my phone. It was not direct, it was relay. So I switched to Twingate. So when I set it up, laptop to phone directly. No relay, direct connection. Cool dashboard. But does it actually work? I am outside. And the best part, even if I am outside and want to download Torrent, phone cannot do that. But I can send the magnet link to my server laptop. My server download while I am outside. When I come home, the Torrent download is complete. And I can see it. Of course, it is a Linux legal thing. This piece of e-waste, Pentium and 5000, 4 GB RAM and potato is now 1 TB cloud servers. Future plan? Mount it on my wall, remove the battery. This laptop have a new job. I backup my channel, I backup my most first photo. She stopped yelling. Total cost $0. Thank to this plan. And I did this as a first time Linux user with AI doing 90% of the work. Don't let your old desk die. Keep it a job. Next video, maybe I will put my crash server on this potato. If this video is late, see you the next year. Wait, that's not funny anymore. I need to upload this. Capital Kabir out.